All right, so we're gonna go over a sideline lazy roll. Now this is gonna be very, very lazy. You also need to make sure that you're breathing nice and gently in and out through the nose, okay? No mouth breathing. So the setup's like this. You're gonna lie on your side, okay? And you're gonna make sure you got something for your head so it can be nice and relaxed, okay? You're gonna be stacked on your side. So you're gonna be, in this case, you're gonna be really, really heavy on your right hip and your right shoulder, okay? So now, once you're there, you're just sort of plopping that top arm down. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna stay heavy and you're gonna do a really, really slow roll. But I'm gonna show you what it looks like from a bird's eye view. So let's wait a second there. And then tell me when it's good.
Yep.
Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna stay heavy on the hip and the shoulder, and very, very slow, you're gonna roll, sort of reach that top arm and the top leg, all the while staying really heavy on your right hip and your right shoulder. And you just go like it's this slow. It's super boring. You're breathing really slow until you still start to feel like you're no longer heavy on that right side. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna feel like from a place just above your shoulder blade and your hip, you're gonna sort of push yourself back from there. So you're not trying to pull yourself back or pull yourself back. It's like you're trying to push sort of the middle of your back towards the wall behind you. Okay? Again, it's that slow and you're breathing really slow. Okay? So you're going to do that for about 5 minutes and then let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.